You want good food like this? Stay tuned. I got a question for you. It's about a camel. What is in a camel's hump? All right, say the word out loud. Say the word out loud. All right, now I'm going to tell you what's inside a camel's hump. You said water. It's not water. Why does everybody say water? It's fat, because the fat gets them across that desert. And what do we have we're cooking with today? Right here. Let's get it unblurred. Fat fuel. Oh, I had it wrong. Here, look at this one. Hump fat from wild camel. Yeah, I know you said water. Yes, you did. You're fighting back and forth with me, but you said water. It's fat. So, what we got going on today? We are going to do a taste test of Carolina Reaper. You know what a Reaper is?
That's spicy.
We're going to do Carolina, let's get it focused in there again, Carolina Reaper Hell's Munster Sauce. This isn't the blueberry one I've already done. This is the other one. The blueberry one I had, and it was good. I had no problem with it. We didn't have any problem with those chips the other day. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going over here on the Weber kettle, and I'm going to cook up some wings. I'll offset them. I'm not going to show you all the cooking. So I'm going to offset them, and then I'll spray some avocado oil on them to kind of crisp them up a little bit. And then when they're about 150, 155, 150 probably, I'm going to put them directly over the fire, and I'm going to brush on the Hell's Barbecue Munster Sauce Carolina Reaper.
Don't do a lot.
So we're going to do that. Oh, right here it says, how much H2O does a camel's hump hold? A. Answer, none. Alright, this seems like awesomeness. Anyway, so where the duck fat comes in, she's going to make some
Duck fat.
Camel fat. Thank you, Maddie. I'm not going to redo that shot. This is a one-take shot. So she's going to do twice fried French fries. So what we got, I got 4 taters here. It's just me and her here, so 4 taters I think will do us. You didn't have the twice fry. I call them booger twice fry, but you know that's something else. So what happens with a twice fry? What Booger 500 US taught me, you put the taters in the air fryer for 15 minutes. You let them set for like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then you cook them another 15 minutes. And I swear to you, you can't stop eating them. If you saw my last video doing this before, I don't know if it was this channel or my air fryer channel, I couldn't stop. I didn't stop eating until the bowl was empty. Alright, so this is taking a little while, so we're going to get into this cook. We'll show you bits and pieces of them. Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen, and Maddie's here for this cook. Y'all enjoy. We'll be right back showing you the stuff, and then we're going to try that Carolina Reaper taste test at the end. I may do a timestamp down below so you can see where we're at in the video. You can go down there if you don't want to see all this stuff. Just say, I just want to go straight to the cook. You can go down there. It'll say when we start doing, the taste test. It'll just tell you in that timestamp, it'll say, here's where the taste test is. Just go down there and click on that if you don't want to see us cute 2 little people cook for you. Yeah. See you in a bit. She's cutting them up like a pro. Right there. Check it out. There she goes. Nice job, Maddie. Alright, so we're going to offset them cook like this, or whatever you say. We're going to get it to like 150, 155, and then we're going to, before that, I will spray this avocado oil on it, crisp them up a little bit, and then for like the last 10 degrees, we will add the Hale's barbecue sauce and do a taste test. Alright, now we're at the point that what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of this Hale's barbecue sauce, Carolina Reaper, on these like this, and I'm going to twist them over and put them down there and just kind of sear them. While they're kind of searing a little bit, I will put more barbecue sauce on top of them. You know, so I brought you back around, so I thought I'd show you. So what I did was I spreaded the charcoal around a little bit over here so that I can get these a little good done. We just want to get that barbecue sauce kind of done a little bit. Alright, y'all. Here comes a taste test. You know what? The fries didn't work out as much as I wanted to because she put a little too much. So they're kind of a little different. But they're good. What do you think?
They have a weird taste.
We let them cool off a little bit too much.
It tastes like the smell of this.
Camel fat. They taste good, I think. Alright. So now we're going to taste the Hale's barbecue sauce. Right there. Carolina Reaper. The last one I had,
They don't smell.
yeah, the last one I had was blueberry, and there was nothing wrong with it. So I think we're going to be fine with this. I'm going to pull this baby apart. Oh, I'm going to go with this part. What you want to do? You're just going to bite into it. You're going to pull it apart.
Can you pull it apart for me?
We like to get this grill. We like this. We look forward to that part. All right, let's try it. Let's do it. What we think about it. Actually tastes pretty good.
Ah!
What? Hot? No. Let me have a look at that. Maddie.
I got
You're-
spicy pop.
It's not spicy hot. Are you serious?
I got spicy pop.
Think about this one, see if it's the same thing. You didn't even get any. Come on. Come on.
It's spicy.
There's nothing wrong with that. It's really good. You're really serious? I must have a higher tolerance than I thought. So this isn't our lunch tomorrow? She has to work with me.
The Lunchable.
Well, I really like this. I have no problem with it. I cannot believe you're acting like that.
It's spicy.
It's just good. All right. Hold up that Hale's. My hands are too greasy. Hold up that into the camera. Hale's barbecue sauce right there. I don't know if it's focused or not, but I'll leave a link to it below in case you want to go to it. He also has a blueberry one. That was really good too. This is not hot. Maybe Papa getting out in the world and start taste testing hot stuff is finding out he's got a high tolerance for it. Harmon Heat would be fanatical over this. You know who that is, dude? I call. I need another French fry. Another episode of Papa. It's another episode of Papa's Kitchen. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Y'all stay tuned, come back, see more outdoor cooking with papatexas and Maddie. See you. Alright, I can't believe that. Seriously.
Yeah.
Here. Let's go inside and find out if Gigi thinks it's hot or not. I can't believe that. I mean, how am I handling it, not you?